Okay, Android player for play YouTube. Okay, front and rear speaker sound turn on. Sample for Cogoo T series. Okay, go full menu. If you go for the setting, then you choose for the sound. Okay, Navi audio channel. You have to press for the all. Press all is for select front and left right and rear left right speaker output. If you choose on top front left and front right, so the rear will no sound. You have to choose all. Okay, back to home. So your car front and rear speaker got an audio output. Thank you. Buy one piece.